Yeah, hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Amless TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. If you are subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Rumors have been coming out of Nigeria that President Muhammadu Buhari and his PA have left Nigeria. So we are asking that where are you people going to? Where have you been since? What is going on? Because the PA have tested positive for coronavirus and yet Buhari have shown his result that is negative. So now where are you running to? We want to know why. We want to know why you want to leave Nigerians alone in this kind of situation. Why you want to leave the poor people? Why you want to leave your power and run away? You have claimed that Nigeria is the giant of Africa. Now you are leaving the giant of Africa alone in this kind of condition. Please respond to us, Buhari. Where are you? How are you coping and how are you programming this way to solve this coronavirus in this kind of populated country in Africa? What are you doing to save Nigerians in this kind of situation? What plan have you done to save Africans? We want to hear from you, Buhari. Please don't leave Nigeria alone in this kind of situation. No matter what, you are still the president and you are the president of for now. So stand up and save your children. Don't escape and leave those children alone. Those that doesn't have home, that doesn't have house, no hope for them. Those that are sleeping under bridge every day, paying even money to sleep under bridge. Look at how they are living. So Buhari, what have you proposed for them? What have you planned for them? Which home have you built for them to be? Because now they said everybody should go to his home. Everybody should be indoors. So which house are they going to? President of Africa, Muhammadu Buhari, President of Nigeria, please, I'm asking you all. I'm asking you all about the plans that you have for Africans in this kind of situation. Because this disease has been killing many people. Look at Atiku. Atiku's son tested positive, but he never run. Still, he donated everything that he can to the populations for them to be saved. Buhari, you have to be back. You have to come back to whenever you are. If not, that power will be going back to Nnamdi Kanu. We will program the presidency to Nnamdi Kanu. You cannot leave your seat this time and run away. You cannot leave Nigerians to come and die like chicken like this in this kind of situation. Please, look at the hospitals you said you built. Come and renovate your hospitals for them. Come and build more beds for them. Please come and save your citizens. We are asking you, Buhari. Because at the beginning, you told us that you are ready, that your legs are on the ground, your feet are on the floor, that you are ready to fight the coronavirus because you have fought Ebola before. Buhari, please come now and fight coronavirus. So come and pray for coronavirus to wipe out from Africa. Because we cannot bear it. We cannot bear it, especially in Nigeria, with many populations. People are suffering there. Many of them are even surviving anyhow to live. Buhari, please, come and provide home for them. Come and provide food for them. Because those that are not working now, no matter how can they eat? How can they eat, Buhari? Those that don't even have money to transport themselves back to their home, back to their village, how can they survive? Come and program everything for them now. Come and do your plan. Don't run, no, because if you run, only God will find you out. So only God will just find you out. Only God will find you out because you told us that you have ready and you are ready to solve every problem for Nigerians, that you are there for them. Please come and stand up for Nigerians. We are begging. This is not the time to run away. You have to stand up for your children because you told us that you are there to protect us. Please come and protect Africans and protect Nigerians. Please, it's only 51 tests that you have done since this problem originated from China, Wuhan. Only 51 tests. That populated country. Even the time that the Italian man took that disease from Italy to Nigeria, from Milan to Lagos. Since then, it's only 51 since. You haven't been testing people since. Only 51, Buhari. Why South Africa have tested almost 20,000 people? So now, if not that Jack Ma's Foundation donated almost 20,000 kits for the population, 100,000 masks, and 1,000 medical use protective suits and face shields for each African country. So now, Buhari, no test could have been done now because this man came now since yesterday, since almost 2 days ago now. 262 tests has been carried out since on the 25th of March compared to the one that you have been doing before. Buhari, what is happening to you? What is going on? Look at all cities in Nigerians. They have all confirmed the cases of coronavirus. In your prison there, in your eyes, you are opening your eyes and soap and pepper are entering inside your eyes. Is that not? Now you told them you want to run and leave Nigerians to die, leave them to suffer in this situation. Buhari is unfair. It's unfair. I promise you that if you leave there your power and escape to anywhere, because you are the president, you have to give the people at least, you have to be the example for the populations. You told them that they should do their tests. Those that came from abroad, that came from other countries, they should self-isolate and they should do their tests. At least now you have to show us your test. You show that it's negative. We agree. Nothing happened. Everything is okay. But at least if your test is negative and your PA is positive, that is no problem. But where are you going to? Why are you running out now from Nigeria? Where are you going to? We want to know, because you have to be there to take care of your power, to take care of your country, to take care of your city. If not, Africa's Nigeria will be independent in this month of March because of you, Buhari. They will change the independent day because you are the one holding them down. Please, you have seen the amount that Atiku have donated. His son is positive, but he gave every news. He didn't hide anything. And he even donated. Now you are there running. Please come back. Now the coronavirus disease have spread to each country in Nigeria. Many countries, almost 20-something states have confirmed it. Like Lagos, Abuja, Ogun State, Ekiti, Oyo, Edo, Bauchi, Osun, and the rivers. Many cities have confirmed the cases. While you are there watching, you abandoned our brothers in Wuhan, China. Even when they are not infected with coronavirus, you abandoned them there, refused to repatriate them down to Nigeria, down to Africa. Each African country, they rejected everyone there. All their children, all their citizens, they refused. While Europeans, Americans, and even Arab countries have even repatriated their people, they saved their citizens, but you refused and you abandoned our brothers there. Now you opened your border. Since then, you didn't even close your border. You didn't even prepare to even build at least hospitals, even medications for your people. You didn't plan anything. You just sit down there and told us that everything is okay, that you are ready to battle it. Now you have to come out and battle it. Please, you have to come out and battle it, because we cannot afford to see all these our children dying for nonsense. All of your cause, all because of you bad leaders. You have been transporting our money down to American bank, down to European bank, saving the monies of the populations there. Instead of you to use it to help your populations, you keep their money there, and they are down in Africa suffering. Now you have to go and bring those monies and donate to them, because many good people have been donating. Buhari, you don't have to run this time. You have to come and donate your own. You have to come and donate your own, because for how many years, even Obacha said, Abacha have left some money, millions of dollars in the France bank for many years. No one could recover the money because of your bad deeds. You see how you bad leaders are doing. I'm coming back from you because I have all your lists and your accounts. I have all the amounts of the money that you have kept stolen from Africa and kept in Europeans and American bank. I'm coming out to read it to the public, for them to see how bad and devilish you African leaders are. How you are pushing Africans to suffer, pushing them even for them to frustrate in their country and plan by force, by thunder, by force, life or death to leave their country, suffering in another man's country, trying everywhere, risking the desert to be in Europe to save their family. Buhari, you have to be out to save Africans, because especially all the countries now in Europe and in Americas, they have been requesting money to save their people. How much have you requested? And your people that you are requesting money for, I hope you have their address and their bank accounts. I hope you have their phone numbers. You know where they are living, for you to donate those money and those food for them, because you have asked them to be inside. How can they be inside after suffering in this kind of sun every day, for them to look for their daily bread? Many doesn't have food to eat. Many children are suffering without hope, without even school, nothing. Now you ask them to be inside because of coronavirus that you can't prevent. You can't lead us, Buhari. You cannot lead us if you cannot prevent us. Look at our mothers dying under the bridge, living there for so many long. Oh, Buhari, what is going on? What is going on? You have to be out. If not, your power, you will lose it. If not, the Nigerian independence will be renewed to the month of March. That power, you will lose it because you are not there for it. Be very careful. Don't just stay wherever you are and laugh. Come out to donate. Come out to donate and rescue your citizens. Rescue your citizens from this shame, from this deadly disease that will open the border down for them to die of what they don't know about. Oh God. Come out and stand for them now. Because our mothers, our fathers, they cannot fight this alone. They cannot fight this alone without money, without food. They cannot fight this with hunger. Or did you want hunger to kill our African people? Buhari, please come back. Oh, come back. Come back wherever you are. Come back. If you didn't come back, God will find you out. And that your post, you will lose it if you cannot save your children. Because a father is there to lead the family, to save his children. Even when the children is sick, a father is there to even lay his life for the sake of his children. Buhari, come and lay your life and rescue the life of your citizens. Rescue the life of your children. Rescue them. Because you have been there since Boko Haram have been doing his own. Boko Haram leader is there toasting you, testing paper, letters and everything, doing as if it's your girlfriend and you both of you are girlfriend and boyfriend or father and son. But you didn't run, you didn't go to anywhere. Now that coronavirus, you have even allowed coronavirus to be in Nigeria, now you are running because you feel that it's only you that have the money. The less privileged don't have money to go to anywhere. You have to come back before God will find you out. Buhari, come and take your children, those that you left under the bridge, those that you left without hope, those that you left without place, without even any hope in life. Come and rescue them this time now. Because all European countries, all American countries, their presidents, they are there. They stand up and they are there to rescue each and every one of them. Some are even paying hard strength for their citizens. Some are paying light bill. Some are paying water bill. Some are even delivering food for them. Or you didn't see China when China was sick, when Wuhan was in that time of pandemic in the country. You didn't see when China locked down, the police were there, the government were there delivering food for those people that cannot go out. You cannot tell your citizens not to go out without food. Buhari, come and donate your own. Please, we are begging you. My viewers, thanks for watching. I'm out for now.